Hey guys, welcome to part 1 of our big trip. And in this vlog, we're exploring Iloilo City and the beautiful island of Guimaras. I'm super excited to share everything with you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the start of our adventure.
One time tayo.
Let's order.
Ito, yung siomai.
Sa akin.
Let's have dinner. Quick dinner muna. Guys, hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo ako kasi medyo maingay dito. Pero delayed na naman yung flight namin. Ang departure time dapat namin is 9:45. Pero ngayon, wala pang announcement kung ano yung next time namin. So, waiting na lang kami kung anong oras and inaantok na ako. Wala pa akong tulog.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
Meron sila ditong Grab. So, kung gusto nyo rin ng DIY, ayan, pwede kayo mag-book ng Grab from airport to your hotel. Touchdown Iloilo! Na oras na? Time check, it's already 12:40 a.m. So, delayed talaga yung flight namin. And now, nagbubook na kami ng Grab papunta sa hotel namin, which is yung Go Hotels Iloilo. So, kung katulad nyo kami, na dadating ng madaling araw dito sa Iloilo, don't worry kasi may Grab naman sila. So, pwede kayo mag-book papunta dun sa hotel nyo. So, yun lang.
All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Okay na
Thank
po.
you po. Thank you, sir. Morning po. Yay, yay, yay. Sure ka ba ito yun? Ha? Guys, natakot kami. Kasi pagpasok namin, naka-open na yung TV, naka-open na yung lights, tas may card na dito. Eh, kakakuha lang namin yung card. Hoy, tulungan mo ako. Ano ka dyan? So, ito yung room namin. Hindi na ako mag-room tour. So, very straightforward naman to. Pagpasok, CR, and then, ito na yung bedroom. Weird. Yan. Bed.
Dirty naman.
Oo nga.
Dissidents and regime, but certainly, as we mentioned.
Ito yung food na in-order namin. What's this?
Ulam yun.
Ano to? Yan yung food namin. Guys, dito yung hotel namin. So, pupunta kami ng Netong. Sasakay kami ng jeep papuntang La Paz Market. So, ayan, merong Jayco. And doon sa kabila may Starbucks. Papuntang, ay, dito sa may hotel namin. Tara, sakay tayong jeep.
Pariya ka ba?
Thank you po. Kasi yun ang ano?
Dito pala yung ani.
Ha?
Usang word? Yung
Ngani.
ani. Sa Ilonggo pala yun.
Ay, saan ba tayo? Ay! Dito na kami sa La Paz Market. Ang saya mag-commute dito. Aircon yung ano. Para mga minibus. Electric bus ba yun? Netons. Maghanap kami na. Sir, excuse po. Saan po yung Netons? Sa kapila. Doon po sa Decos?
Decos at Netong.
Okay, thank you po.
Kapula si Madam Kadala Abute.
Okay, mayang magtanong. Oo nga. Ito. Oh my God. Ito na ang Netons. Ito yung lunch. Sa'yo. Ano po yung pinagkaiba ng Mega Extra at Super?
Size.
At topping.
For one, same size. The toppings ang difference.
Ano po yung extra? Anong toppings?
Liver pork beef.
Tapos yung super. Ay, yung Mega.
Liver pork beef, bone marrow.
Oh, extra lang ako.
Ako din. Yun na lang.
Sige po, yan. Dalawa pong extra bachoy. Tapos, extra. Ito. Gusto mo egg? Gusto mo egg?
Sige.
Paad po ng egg.
Available. Fresh egg. Available. Fresh egg pa lang. Fresh egg pa lang. Available.
Ano fresh egg?
Yun ang crack lang.
Treat.
Okay.
Yun na.
Ano na lang?
Okay.
Puto?
Sige, tikman natin.
Sige po. Puto po. Thank you. Guys, ito yung puto nila. 30 pesos. Ayan.
Tastes. Ako yun. Buti na ito. Isa lang binili natin.
Hiwa-hiwalay. Sige, ikaw muna. Taste test muna. Ang lasa?
Parang kanin po to.
May cheese. Natin ng ilo-ilos puto.
Tapos dinaguan.
Sticky siya. Parang ano, chewy. Ayun, chewy. Tapos, walang cheese. First try ng Gazpachoy. Ito yung extra. Anong lasa?
Lasang misin.
Grabe ka.
May nakuha naman nila yung taste ng sabaw ng ano.
Gazpachoy. Tikman din natin.
Oh, hindi tatanggap misin.
While I'm gazing through my window tonight, I'm remembering the things I have done in my life. Oh, making one or two.
Lalakad-lakad lang kami dito. Papuntang Museum ng Iloilo. Mabait yung tao dito, guys. Pinadaanan kami, guys, sa Matulay. And okay din naman dito maglakad. Din nga lang, mainit kasi umaga na. Siguro kahapon, maganda maglakad dito. Ito kami, guys, sa isang park. So, talo ko anong meron dyan. National Museum of the Philippines, Iloilo. Entrance is free.
Museo Iloilo was built in 1971 at ito ang first museum sa Pilipinas na funded at run by a provincial government. Dito makikita ang rich history ng Iloilo from prehistoric artifacts, Spanish colonial pieces hanggang World War II relics at local artworks. Kaya if you're visiting Iloilo soon, try nyo rin puntahan to.
Papunta na kami ng Parola, tapos doon kami sasakay pa Guimaras. Ganito yung maloob, no?
Ganito rin layout na.
Ako naman ang pupunta ng Maynila bukas.
Ay!
Talaga ba?
Pagsakay ng bayad, ma'am. Pagsakay nyo, doon na kayo babayad.
Okay. Sige po. Si Tay,
Ito akin.
dito. Si Tatay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po. Salamat po. Ang bait ni Tatay. Tinulungan niya kaming pumunta dito. Dalawa po.
Doon ang pumayad mamaya. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Gusto naman na ba? Magsutaan naman pa?
Ay, dito na kami sa Guimaras. Ano daw? Tricycle 369? 369. Yellow daw na tricycle.
Meron na po.
369. Ito yun. Dilaw. Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Hordan. Tapos pagbaba nyo pala, kailangan nyo palang mag-register doon if non-resident kayo. Naantay lang namin ngayon yung ano, yung tour guide namin. Ito na yung ano namin, tour. Ito yung first destination namin. Ito po yung first destination, kuya, no?
You are my sunshine on a rainy day.
Ah,
You are the one who takes my breath away. In the vast skies of love, I'm free. As long as you're here with me.
Robles Plaza daw.
Sa indang lang eh.
Oo.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. We used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Back of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you.
Third destination namin tong San Lorenzo Wind Farm.
We belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you been, yeah, since I break.
No entrance fee din siya. Pwede tayong bumili para sa ano, sa ref natin.
Magnet po, ma'am, tatlo 100. Meron tayong apat 100. Yung sa keychain naman po, kahit anong design po, 5 100.
Para lagyan natin sa ref natin.
Opo, sir, sino po? Kahit ano pong cut natin yan, ma'am, hindi po yan nawawala ang cross. Hindi po yan inukit or ano po.
Ay, talaga.
Ito po, legit po yan.
Asan yung puno na yan?
Hindi po dito nakikita, ma'am, na specifically dito po. Yung mga idol lang po nakakaalam kung saan makukuha nila ito. Sa liblib na lugar lang po ito nakikita. Kahit ano pong cut natin yan, ma'am, hindi po yan nawawala yung cross niya. Ganyan talaga siya.
Legit na kahoy yan, no?
Yes po, kahoy po, ma'am.
Kagatin mo nga, totoo.
Tapos natanggal yung brace.
Mangrove. Ilang years na kaya to?
Shadows of the morning are crawling on my floor. When I just wanna lie here and there's nothing more. There's raindrops on my window and I'm going nowhere fast.
Pang ilang person po yung double?
Is 6 slices.
Sige, okay na to. Mango pizza po na double. Yun naman.
Mango pizza. Ang lasa. Taste test. Mainit.
No.
Sarap. Balot na. Init na init. Ang sakit na nung ano ko. Yung braso ko. Parang na-sunburn na ako.
Pero nga, tinagit mo.
Totoo ba? Hindi pa naman ako nag-sunblock. Oh no. Dinadala to sa Maynila. Magkano isang pun lang ganyan?
I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling.
old lighthouse po, no?
You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking.
And that's it guys for part 1 of our big trip. So Iloilo and Guimaras were such amazing places to explore, from the food to the stunning views. Guimaras has so much to offer. It has beautiful spots, beaches, food, and the sweetest mangoes in the world. So if you guys get the chance, you should definitely visit Guimaras. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog as much as we enjoyed this trip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss part 2 of our adventure. Next stop, Isla Gigantes.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it